3.1 question number 1 is write all the factors of the following numbers. So here it is very hosh posh rough work. I'll tell you here neat and clean. Write all the factors of the following numbers. First number is 24. What is the first factor of every number? Just keep in mind, for all the numbers, first factor always will be 1. Okay? And second factor will be the number itself. After this, we will begin with 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. So, how can we say 2 will be the factor of the given number? We will see its even digit. We will see its ones place. If it is even digit, means 2 will be the factor. So 4 is even, na? So 2 also will be the factor. Then how can we say 3 is the factor? It directly is coming in the table of 3, that is 8 times. Or else 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is coming in the table of 3, means 3 also is the factor. What about 4? 4 6 are 24. So 4 also will be the factor. 5, it cannot be because 1's place is 4. For factor of 5, it should be 0, right? So we'll not write here 5. Then 6, 2 is also its factor. 3 is also its factor. 6 directly will become its factor. 7, no, because it is the even number. What about 8? 8 3's are 24, right? So 8 also will be the factor. 9, no, because 4 plus 2 is 6, which is not coming in the table of 9. 10 also no, because 4 is that is not 0, it should be 0 in 1's place. 11 also no, because when you will add even and subtract, you will get 2, which will not come in the table of 11. 12 will be there because 12 2's are 24, right? And once you get 12 here, 12 plus 12 become 24. So no other number will be its factor. Got it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 will be the factors of 24. I hope it is clear to all of you. We'll write for 15. What is the first factor? 1. Second is the number itself. Then we'll begin from 2. Will 2 be the factor of 15? No, because 5 in the 1's place, which is not even number, right? What about 3? 3 5's are 15. Also 5 plus 1 is 6. 15 is divisible by 4? No. 4 3's are 12. 3 will be the remainder. There should be no remainder left, right? So 4 will not be the factor. Then 5, yes, because 1's place is 5 only. Then 5 plus 5 plus 5 directly will get 15, right? So this one, 1, 3, 5 and 15 only will be the factors. What about 21? You can write 1, 21. Then 2 will not be the factor because 1 is there in 1's place. Okay, then 3, yes, because 2 plus 1 will be 3. 4, no, because 4 5's are 20. 1 will be the remainder. 5 also no. Then we'll get here 7 like that. Okay. Now, you see, when you will get the number which you will add 3 times, you will get 15. So there will not be any other factor. This is 7. When you will add 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. Again, you will not get any other factor than 7. Same way 12. When you will add 12 plus 12, directly 22. We will not have any other factor. Like this, we can stop. Okay. Then come to the next numbers. 27, 12, 20, 18. All these you do on your own. I'll tell you for 23. What could be the factor for 23? Just keep in mind 23 is a prime number. It is not coming in any other table than 1 and 23 itself, right? So prime number do not have any factor other than the 2 given numbers. Just keep in mind this thing, okay? Then we have 36, 1, 36, again 2, then 3 plus 6, 9, so 3 also, 4 also, 4 9's are 36, 5 no, 6 6 are 36, 7 also no, 8 9, okay, 12 3's are 36, so 12 like that. Okay, you can just write all the factors given. Remaining 4 numbers, that is 27, 12, 20 and 18, you do on your own. Okay.